actually in the screen?
Yep, you're right in the bullseye middle. And it's recording. I don't like it.
Why?
Because you're not smiling or anything.
Well, I'm not ready to shoot yet. Hey there everyone, FG here again. It's getting a little later in the day, so the light's probably not super great here, but I just wanted to capture this before I got done. Some really good stuff. This is Mr. Aid engine, nano engine cleaner, and I picked this up at Fall Carlisle at the autumn show, building Z, I think maybe. Here, let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. And I do not own stock in this company. I do not get any kickbacks from this company. I just wanted everybody to see this. This stuff is really pretty good. I'm kind of really surprised. Let me fade back here. I got most of the engine cleaned already. Let me tell you, it was pretty nasty. It really does look nice. Now, this is, according to their claims, it's biodegradable, does not contain any petrochemicals, nothing toxic, good for the environment, doesn't hurt you if you get your on your hands or anything. And I was cleaning the front here, and let me just fade back. I was almost done, then I'm like, hey, let me video this. So if you look right here, this is the part that I already cleaned. And then if I fade back a little bit, you can see what the whole engine bay basically looked like before. This is just the apron here by the headlights. But if I come around here, you can see how nasty, dirty that is, and how great and clean looking it is back here. So like I said, I'm not affiliated with them or anything like that. I just like to help people out. And I think that this is a product, unless it turns out that it does contain something that isn't very good, and I find out all my plastic melts, that would kind of suck, but I really don't think that's going to happen, honestly. I just like to help people out with good reviews when it's warranted, and this stuff is pretty amazing. It doesn't require any water. You don't have to do a wash down. You basically just spray this on, you let it sit for a little bit, and you wipe it off with a chamois or even just a roll of paper towels is what I'm using right now. And it's pretty nice. So, not going to belabor the point. It's just going to be a quick video. Just wanted to show everybody that. Let me come back here again real quick. This is a 32-ounce bottle. This is the big one. They had a 16-ounce also. The 32-ounce was 20 bucks, but the 16-ounce was 12. So I'm like, yeah, okay. Well, go big or go home. I'm either going to like it or I'm going to get stuck with a giant bottle of suck. So I can be very happy to say that I didn't flush my 20 bucks down the toilet. It's not a giant bottle of suck, and actually works pretty well. So until next time, if you guys are detailing, hey, clean them up and then take them out and get them muddy. FG out.